Welcome to the Remote Robotics course. This course serves as a hands-on introduction to remote coding, circuitry, and robotics foundations. This course can be implemented within the classroom or in a distance learning environment. Ready to get started with foundational robotics, circuitry, and coding? To get started with any STEM-fused course, make your way to the Start Unit or Module 0 to view standard alignment, pacing guides, connections to industry certifications, and more. The course teacher guide allows you to view each module at a glance. This is great for preparing for the integration of an individual module or for building a year-long course. Each student-facing module in the Remote Robotics course includes digitally interactive lesson plans and corresponding activities. Each module also includes a detailed teacher's guide designed to help you plan, prepare, and understand what students will be learning and accomplishing within each module. Answer keys and grading rubrics for project-based assessments can be found in the teacher's folder. To get more information, review access, or to schedule a more in-depth webinar demonstration, please contact your STEMFuse representative or email sales@stemfuse.com.